Hi everyone, this is Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a quick unboxing of a new bag that I've got, and I've done my no buy in February, and also I've done my bag research. And you know the video that I've done, the 5 best brown bags, suede material, you know that video, and I've chosen one of the bags from the 5 bags. Please sit tight and let's do the unboxing together. So can you guess which one it is? I hope you can, or I hope you have. So it's a big box. Ta-da! Can you see? It's Manu Atelier. So yes, I got that bag. It's such a huge box, and in there just some tissue. And so this is the bag, and with a canvas and with ribbon tied at the top. Canvas bag with like Manu Atelier in black, just printed on it. And so a little bit of background before we start the revealing. And so I've got it from the Manu Atelier website, and it took about 5 days to arrive, which is quite quick because it says on the website it's like 7 to 10 days, but it arrived quite quickly and via DHL, and it was such a smooth process. And I got 10% discount, and I paid like I think it was $19.95 for postage and packing. So in the end I paid just £550 for this bag, which was quite good, and I'm super pleased. And let's do this unboxing. So that is the you can see that is a medium dark chocolate brown. It's so beautiful. And here is like gold, and it's not metal, it's gold, you know, those stamping, but it's raised. It feels like embossed onto it, but it feels nice. And here is the buckle, and it is Manu on the top, Atelier on the bottom of the edge. So there's no obvious logos, but even this is quite subtle. And the belt is removable, but why would I want to remove it? Or maybe I can use it as a belt. I mean, this bag represents the it looks similar to the Prada bag. I'll show it on the screen now. But the thing is, but I don't really care. This is such a great bag, and Manu Atelier is a beautiful brand, and then I'm so pleased with this new thing. Let's just get rid of the packaging, the protective thing for the handle. Tissues, and tissues. Once I get rid of the tissues, you can see the bag is soft, and also there's 4 feet on the bottom, and it's covered with this little rubber thing to protect the gold feet. They're really well thought out about this. I mean, look at the stitching on the bottom. It's so beautifully even. And the gold colored hardware, it seems to be quite shiny. and same color as the buckle. And also this got a magnetic closure, and I think that has got some, yeah, like a film covered it. And so now you just magnets close it. I think the magnet is quite good because once I close it, you can see this, the gap is very minimum. Sometimes, you know, when the bags, they're having a buckle, like a lobster claws hook, and but you still, there's a gap towards it, and also it's easy to open it and get into it. But with this popper thing, it's quite hard, magnetic, quite strong. So yeah, it offers some security. And so this bag just got one big compartment. I thought they had two, but it's only just one. Sorry about the video I've done. But you can see just one big compartment. And also that there is a button on the side. If I untie the belt, and this bag can open up and then it changes shape, but with the popper on the side, there's another one on this side, so it would keep the bag in a different shape. So as you can see, slightly narrow on the top, and there's kind of like a split, and then widens at the bottom. It is the same on the other side, and there's no outside pockets, and just basically the back of the bag with this like belt loops over here, two at the front, two at the back. You can see this is so gorgeous, really, really gorgeous. On the inside, I'm not sure you can see or not, is it just Manu Atelier. This is being embossed onto it. The lining is not leather, is looks like suede, but it's not, it's just cloth material. But this color is good, and you can see it's tonal. This is like a mocha mousse color, the color of the year. Like my necklace here, this is the leather bit, is kind of like, you can see that they're all harmonizing with suede, mocha mousse and tan, and this is the gold Hermes color. And so yeah, it's just, they all work together. You can see it goes really well with white. And then the zip is in gold color. The zip puller is a like suede leather pressed together and with stitches around it, and then that's the leather the zip puller, and opens up. Oh, there is a little something like this. I think it just oh yeah, it's like, it's a M and A, Manu Atelier. Looks like a little umbrella and arrow. Looks really cute. Also is Le Cambon 35 suede leather deep brown. Yeah, so that's what it is. This is the model of this bag. And then over here on the little booklet, it just says thank you for choosing Manu Atelier, and they're just telling you how these things is being made and how much of care they have put into, and you know, and how you care about this bag, and with the website manuatelier.com. It's nice. I like it like minimum packaging, so it's not have so much stuff. So I'm going to just keep that into it. Should I do a what can fit into this bag? But it's just a quick unboxing. But I'm sure this is like such a big bag, because if I compare this with my Birkin 35, you can see the size next to each. Can you see? Very, very similar. You see, it's very, very similar in size. And then the size, you can see, they're so similar. And then on the back, it's a very similar size. But you can see this one is super subtle and is beautiful. I mean, my Birkin is far heavier than this bag. This bag is lovely and light. So I'm going to do some outfit with this, and then I'll insert them at the back so you can see how I wear this. And oh, I'm so pleased with this bag. £550. This is unbelievable quality. Really, really great quality. Definitely. Okay, since we're here, let's just put something into, it's like my notebook. And I have this stuff from my bucket bag, and I just put everything and in there. So I put this notebook in there, and then the sunglasses pouch, and then the battery bank, and put into this inhaler, my pill box, my lipstick. This is the Chanel 116, lovely new lipstick. And also this is the MAC. Yeah, this is the Velvet Teddy, and you guys asked Velvet Teddy. And so that goes in. And then my purse goes in. Put a bottle of water in there. It now has some weight to it. You can see that it's such a beautiful bag. It feels really lovely in the hand. Now it feels heavy. I mean, you can see with all that weight, the shape of the bag haven't collapsed at all, and it feels quite heavy now. At least I would have at least 2.5 kilo stuff in it because of the bottled water, but without the water it's less heavy, but still it's quite heavy because of the notebook, and I have some coins and stuff. The battery bank is quite heavy as well, but you can see with lots of stuff, and then the bag, the shape is still quite good. I am super happy with this Manu Atelier. Such a beautiful bag. That's it for today. This is just like a quick unboxing of this beautiful Manu Atelier bag, and I'm super happy. So definitely this is a keeper. You will see me using this quite a lot. And so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and give my video a like. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until my next video, I'll see you then. Bye. Keep well.